just not on the quotation.
Because low price is rarely the real cost. Cost is not decided by paper price. These are the real costs. They never appear on the first quotation. True cost control comes from a stable production system.
Please enjoy the operation of the Opack system.
I can't write lyrics right now, sorry if I don't rhyme. But right now it's like 3 AM, it's not a great time. Feel like I'm gonna die, but I'm gonna make some tracks. Spend all of my toonies and dimes on Red Bull and moonshine. Then go steal a stop sign, let's all have a good time. I'm so fucking tired, need to go to bed. But I'm stuck sitting here, making songs instead. Bags under my eyes, they are watery and red. Right now I need sleep because I'm damn near dead. Somebody please put a bullet in my head. Somebody please stop this existential dread. Yeah.
Recipe for just what I need. It's a feeling that I can't replace. Toss all the pictures on my